Hi, I'm Victor Gamov. Let's say you want to confirm that message has landed to a particular topic. In this case, you need to read message from particular offset in the topic partition. In this Kafka tutorial, I would like to show you how we can use Kafka console consumer to debug cases like that. And you can read from particular offset, and also you can control number of records to retrieve from the topic. So let's get to it. Now on the page with this Kafka tutorial where I will teach you how we can use a console consumer to read from particular offset. Let's initialize our project by creating a folder where we will place some of our files. Next thing, we create a Docker compose for Kafka in Zookeeper that will include the configured Kafka in Zookeeper. Let's save it. And next thing is that we will run these containers by calling Docker compose up. As you can see, we will run output of these containers in the background. Next thing is that we will create a topic that will have multiple partitions. So in future, we can consume messages from particular partition. This topic will include 2 partitions. Next, let's produce some test data. We will use a column as a separator between key and value. Also, we can copy some test data, so we will not waste the time or typing it in. Once we're done, we can press Ctrl+C to end the producer session. Next thing, let's create a consumer, and we will be reading only data from partition 0. As you can see, only messages keyed by key 1 were displayed. And they were displayed in the same order how those messages were produced. This is very important to remember. Next thing, let's read all the messages from partition number 2. As you can see, all these messages also appeared in order how they were produced. So let's stop this consumer. And let's consume messages from particular partition and from particular offset. We should be able to see only last few. In this case, go to Kafka Summit. This is what we see. Also, it's a good idea to clean up after ourselves, so we will start our Docker compose after we exit from the shell. And that was it. Hopefully, this helped you to learn how we can use Kafka console consumer to read messages from particular offset. I will see you in the next one, and as always, have a nice day.